My neighbor thought I had completely lost it when she saw what I was using to clean my windows. A week later, she was doing exactly the same thing. This product can be found in almost every bathroom, yet most people have no idea it can leave windows streak-free and shining for a long time. Grab a bowl and pour in some warm water. Warm water helps dissolve dirt, greasy residue, and dust much faster, making the whole cleaning process easier. Now it's time for the secret ingredient: Head & Shoulders shampoo. Add 1 tablespoon of shampoo and mix everything thoroughly. The shampoo does an excellent job of removing greasy fingerprints, dust, and buildup that gradually collects on windows. It also leaves behind a light protective layer that helps keep new dirt from sticking so quickly. To boost the effectiveness of this mixture, you can add a splash of vinegar or 1 tablespoon of dishwasher rinse aid. Vinegar helps break down grime and gives the glass an exceptional shine, while the rinse aid helps rain droplets slide off the surface more easily. I added 2 tablespoons of rinse aid. Mix everything well. Now take a microfiber cloth. It's the best choice for cleaning windows because it effectively picks up dirt and dust without leaving lint or streaks behind. Soak it in the prepared solution and squeeze out any excess liquid. Then clean your windows as usual. The result may genuinely surprise you. The glass becomes crystal clear, shiny, and stays looking spotless much longer. This simple solution not only cleans your windows, but also helps keep them cleaner for longer. Try it just once, and there's a good chance it will become a permanent part of your cleaning routine. Just 3 drops of this and you can forget about cleaning your windows for months. The glass becomes resistant to dirt. Washing windows is a nightmare for many of us. Dust settles quickly, and streaks can ruin the whole effect. This homemade mixture solves the problem. Pour about a quart of warm water into a tall container. Add a few drops of glycerin. This creates a thin, invisible protective layer on the glass that prevents dust and dirt from sticking, keeping windows clean much longer. But that's not all. Add a small measure of white vinegar. Vinegar dissolves greasy stains and leaves the surface crystal clear. Mix everything well and pour it into a spray bottle for easy use. Spray the dirty windows with the solution. It not only removes stubborn grime, but also makes the glass perfectly smooth and shiny. Wipe with a microfiber cloth to prevent streaks. The result? Sparkling, streak-free windows that stay clean for weeks. This is the best and easiest way to clean your windows. I guarantee you'll always clean them this way from now on. Your windows will shine like never before, and you won't need to climb a ladder anymore. Let me show you the best way to clean exterior windows. Grab a bucket and a mop, the same one you use for your floors. We'll prepare the cleaning solution in the bucket. Pour about 1 liter of warm water into it. Make sure it's not boiling or too hot. Next, add 2 cups of vinegar. Vinegar has disinfecting and cleaning properties, removes bacteria, and leaves no streaks. Then, add 2 tablespoons of dish soap and mix everything well. Soak the mop in the solution, just like you do when cleaning floors. Squeeze out the excess water and start washing the windows. They will be perfectly clean. If there's any excess water left, take a microfiber cloth and secure it to the mop handle with rubber bands. Use it to wipe away any remaining moisture. You'll see your windows shine like never before. This trick is not only simple, but also incredibly effective. This is how you remove all dirt from your shower cabin. This powder works like magic dust to clean lime scale and buildup. Don't use chemical cleaners when homemade methods work best. First, spread regular baking soda over the glass doors. Then take a lemon cut in half. Add some extra baking soda onto the lemon. Rub the glass with the lemon where there is dirt and buildup. Lemon dissolves limescale. Baking soda removes dirt and acts as a gentle abrasive. It will gently break down and remove the buildup. Leave it for about 15 minutes. Then wipe the glass with a cloth soaked in warm water. Remove part of the mixture with the cloth. To leave the glass sparkling clean, use a simple dustpan. Thanks to its rubber edge, it works like a squeegee. Just wipe away the excess, and your glass cabin will be cleaner than ever before. Stains and marks on the walls disappear in 2 seconds. This trick works like a magic eraser. Instead of reaching for a roller and paint, try this ridiculously simple method. It's a home hack that will bring freshness back to your walls in seconds. and the result will truly surprise you. The best part? It leaves no streaks, doesn't damage the paint, and requires no scrubbing. Pour 4 parts water into a small bowl. Add 1 part of this household liquid. This solution works great on stubborn stains. I'll tell you in a moment what the liquid is. Mix everything until smooth, dip a clean microfiber cloth into it, and gently wipe the stained area. Right as you begin to wipe the wall, you'll notice the stains start to disappear. No trace, no smudge left behind. The wall dries quickly, and you can forget it was ever dirty. Wondering what tackled those wall stains so effectively? It's not some fancy store-bought cleaner. It's something you usually add to laundry to make clothes soft and smell good. Fabric softener not only cleans incredibly well, it also leaves a fresh, pleasant scent and makes the whole room feel clean and refreshed. It's one of those tricks you learn once and end up recommending to everyone. Your windows will be spotless thanks to using a sanitary pad. All you need is a regular mop and 1 pad. Remove the pad from its packaging and stick it onto the mop. The surface of the pad absorbs water and dirt perfectly. Spray it with your favorite glass cleaner and wash all the windows in your home. This method allows you to reach even hard-to-access high places. The pad effectively soaks up excess liquid, leaving your windows shiny and streak-free. It works better than many professional tools. This way, you can quickly and easily clean all your windows without any effort. This onion is all you need to clean a window. It perfectly replaces any glass cleaner and leaves no streaks. Take an onion and cut it in half. Then, start rubbing it on the window, making sure to cover every spot. Onion juice works much better than any cleaner. Now, just grab a microfiber cloth and thoroughly polish the glass. After this trick, you'll get an amazing result. Spotless, streak-free windows, all thanks to a simple onion. Mix everything together and pour it into a bucket. You'll quickly see that your floor has never looked this clean. No streaks, no dirt, and the shine lasts. Start with a large bowl and add 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt is great for removing stains and discoloration. Add a tablespoon of baking soda, which disinfects and cleans all kinds of surfaces, not just in the kitchen. Next, pour in 2 tablespoons of dish soap. It easily cuts through grease and grime. Then add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. It degreases, shines, and has antibacterial properties. Now add 3 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. It kills bacteria and fungi, making it a key ingredient in this mix. Stir everything well. The mixture may fizz a little. That's normal. Pour in about 4 cups of warm water and mix thoroughly. Then add another 4 cups to make the cleaner ready to use. Transfer the solution to a mop bucket. But there's one final touch. Squeeze in the juice of a lemon. It will leave your floor smelling fresh. Dip your mop, wring it out, and clean your floors as usual. The result? Shiny, spotless floors free from bacteria and dust mites.